going, everybody? Guess what we're going to do in under 5 minutes, I promise you. We're going to go over the top 10 stocks of the day. We're going to go over the big 10 losers of the day. And we're going to go over the 10 and a little bit more stocks that I like to watch every day. We're not even going to make it feel rushed. I've been practicing, so let's see if we can pull this off. All right, you're looking at the top 10 winners on this list that I keep track of. It's not the full NYSE and Nasdaq. I remove things that I don't like, but so be it. It's a lot. There's thousands of companies on here. Dynavax Technologies up 33%. Immunotherapy company with no profits, so that's a risk according to my logic. Overstock.com, again, they're a huge swinger either up or down. Today it's up. I have the word put written here because I think they're going to go back down. I think they're going to settle somewhere around like 12 or 15 or even less. They're all over the place eventually. Big Five Sporting Goods. Retailer is up, but they're not worth much. Gannett is up, but they're not worth much. Dycom, telecom infrastructure company, up 14%, worth a little bit more, I guess. Retail Group is up. Socket Mobile. Rada Electronics, that's UAVs, like unmanned vehicles, radars, defense stuff. I think that has potential. Neurometrics, not cutting edge, but sales, I don't know. Anyway, consumer portfolio, financial, whatever. All right, not that big of a deal. Let's look at the biggest losers a minute and a half in. Sorrento Therapeutics, antibody treatment found, all of a sudden they dropped. Clovis Technology, another biotech. Here's a lot of oil, some banks, thrifts, and mortgage. This is more of the stuff I would expect to see on the losers. Anything you really learned from this? Coffee's down. It's interesting what we don't buy. Moderna goes way down because their vaccine, it's a year away at least anyway. I mean, how excited can you get about solving a problem a year from now? We all can't live the way we're living right now for another year. We have to do something else in the media. Although a vaccine is an end-all solution eventually, just testing and the way you grow it and the way you do all the stuff, it takes at least a year. It's really supposed to take more. So don't plan on having that be the solution this year, right? So you see these stocks drop. Now, let's talk about the stocks that I like to watch. And they're all going to be losers today. I brought the 10 of them over here to the breakdown sheet. And I mean, rough day, confusing day. It was such a big day yesterday. It drops like half as much as it went up yesterday, even a little less than half as much as went up yesterday. But point is, down a little percentage I'm not worried about. Walmart was actually up at 131 at some point today. If you saw what the one-day crazy volatility was, it was pretty nuts. I think there was earnings announced or something. Point is that just showed me that they're going to be going up in the future, all this kind of action. People are taking profits and then probably trying to buy it back lower because they know it's going to go up in the long run. Just market manipulation to its finest. But they're so solid and even whatever, they're fine. Merck hasn't announced the results of the famotidine injection study going on at like Northwell Health, I think, in New York. That's coming at some point. At some point there will be an answer, and I believe the answer will be Pepcid helps. I have a feeling. So we'll find out when that happens, but they're trading down for no reason today. Alphabet is Google is down a little bit, just a tiny bit, just blip fluctuations today. Microsoft down a little bit for no reason. LSI down a little bit. They were up at 605 for most of the day. They'll be back up tomorrow. They'll be fine with their screens. 402 guys. Minute left. Dunkin' Donuts was up for the majority of the day and then ended down. Something dropped out of the whole market on the end of the last hour of the day. Wendy's ends up down. So these things are getting a little cheaper. Abbott, I wouldn't jump back on right away because there's so many testing competitors for the types of tests. Oh, here's a winner. Burger King. Beyond Meat was also a winner. We got 30 seconds left. Looking at the last, let's actually start it with Burger King. These 10, the second wave of 10, how did they do in 15 seconds? So Burger King's win, which it's good. Wendy's did not win, but Carol's Restaurant Burger King's win. Verizon down a little bit. Beyond Meat is up because the meat situation is still getting trouble in under 10 seconds. Is there anything else to know? Target down a little. Sherwin-Williams down a little. It was down a little Tuesday. We'll see if it's a better Wednesday. Good luck.